And now we check back in with Amanda Vinicky. She spent the day reporting in Lisle as part of our In Your Neighborhood series, and she joins us again from the Morton Arboretum. Amanda.
Yes, Brandis, I am here with Sam Tornatore. He is a member of the DuPage County Board and president of the DuPage County Board of Health. Thank you so much for joining us. Could you just begin by telling us, how has DuPage County fared during COVID?
Well, we are the #1 county in the state in terms of COVID vaccinations, and we have been known to be the healthiest county in the state, so we're very proud of that. Our vaccine rollout has been very successful. We've vaccinated over 1 million people, about half of which are DuPage County residents, and the other half are from other counties, who either work here and live somewhere else, or came out here because we had that available. So,
to what do you attribute that success, that high rate of vaccination?
A remarkable staff at the DuPage County Health Department. They have been amazing in terms of working 24/7, putting a system together, not only to reach out to people, but then ultimately facilitate the vaccines.
How did eligibility for getting a vaccine, particularly maybe early on, play a role?
It was very difficult because people all wanted the vaccine, and originally it was 65 and older, or people with underlying conditions, or healthcare professionals. And how do you determine who an essential worker was? We would have people who would suggest that they're as essential as the next person. And where you lived was important also. If you were from an economically disadvantaged area that might have more COVID than others, were those people given preferential treatment, or should they have been because they had it? So it was a daily push and pull with not only the health department, but our residents as well.
Now that vaccinations have opened up to, of course, all adults as well as to some youth, there are still, however, 1 million people vaccinated, awesome, but a whole lot of those who are not yet. What is the DuPage County Board of Health doing to try and convince people to get that shot in the arm? What sort of efforts are you up to?
Well, even with our success, there's approximately 200,000 eligible people in the county who have not yet been vaccinated. We're working on our Shot DuPage movement forward to try to get as many people not only vaccinated, but to understand what it means. We have approximately 150 places where you can get a vaccination within the county, be it a grocery store or a pharmacy or a healthcare place. The DuPage County Fairgrounds is open free. It's a walk-in, essentially. You don't have to make an appointment any longer. If you're immobile and you can't leave your home, we have worked with community services as well as fire departments to go to individual people's homes. You can have a vaccination festival at your village if you want to. Any more than 10 or more people, we'll send somebody out to your village hall or to your place of employment and get your people vaccinated. So we're reaching out to as many people as possible.
Any thoughts on Governor J.B. Pritzker today unveiled plans for a vaccination lottery? People, can get a prize if you get the shot. Thoughts on that?
I would have thought that incentivizing people to get vaccines was something that probably wasn't in anybody's mind when people were driving to Champaign and Indiana to get a vaccine just a few months ago. But quite frankly, if it helps people get vaccinated and eradicates the virus, I'm all for it.
And then finally, what are your thoughts? Is the pandemic done? I mean, as of June 11th, Illinois is open. Have any insight as to how that has gone, or thoughts for the summer? Are we through this?
I don't know that it's gone. I think we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and it's no longer the freight train. So what we're hoping now is that people will continue to get vaccinated, still be somewhat cognizant of being socially distanced when necessary, and use good sense, especially with so many people still unvaccinated. So we're getting there, but we haven't quite gotten there yet.
We really appreciate you sharing your insight with us. Once again, that was Sam Tornatore. He is president of the DuPage County Board of Health. Back to you, Brandis.
Amanda, thanks. We'll see you again in a little bit.